students, welcome you to my YouTube channel Learn with Gajanan. So students, in this video we learn dialogue writing that is given in the first lesson, Grassroots Innovation and Social Enterprise. So let's see, without wasting time, dialogues about design thinking. बघा मित्रांनो, याच्यामध्ये स्टुडंट आणि करिअर कोच याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला डायलॉग डेव्हलप करायचे आहेत आणि टॉपिक आहे डिझाइन थिंकिंग. या प्रकारे तुम्ही तुमच्या डायलॉग्स डेव्हलप करू शकता. यू कॅन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. स्टुडंट सेड, सर, आय विश टू चूज अ राइट करियर पाथ. Career coach, okay, so you are interested in exploring different career paths. Have you heard of design thinking? प्रश्न विचारला स्टुडंटला की डिझाइन थिंकिंग विषयी तू ऐकला आहेस का? स्टुडंट रिप्लाइड, I have heard the term, but I am not really sure what it means. Could you explain it, sir? Career coach, absolutely. हे बघा वरती दिलेला आहे. Design thinking is a problem solving approach that's centered around understanding the needs of users and creating innovative solutions. बघा, याच्यामध्ये एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवायची आहे की डायलॉग रायटिंग करत असताना आपल्याला इथे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स वापरायचे आहे. जसं दॅट इज लिहिण्याऐवजी दॅट्स आपण इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. समोर पुन्हा शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स येतील. स्टुडंटची डायलॉग आहे, that sounds interesting, but how would it help someone like me who is just starting out? Career coach, great question. Design thinking helps you approach problem creatively. It's particularly useful when you are unsure. हे बघा, you are .com वापरलेला आहे. When you are unsure about your career path, because it encourages you to explore different possibilities. Student said, so it's like experimenting with different options before committing to one. Career coach, exactly. Think of it as a way to design your career. You start by emphasizing with yourself, understanding your strength, interest, and what drives you. Then you can brainstorm various career options. Students' dialogue said, that sounds like a really practical approach, but how do I get started with design thinking? Career coach said, start by being curious. Ask questions about what excites you and what problems you enjoy solving. From there, you can create a mind map. Then student said, oh, I see. It's like building my career step by step rather than making a big decision all at once. Career coach, exactly. Design thinking allows you to be flexible. It's a process of continuous learning and improvement. Student, thank you. This approach sounds more suited to my way of thinking. Career coach, I am glad to hear that. Remember, your career is a journey and design thinking can be your guide to navigating it creatively and confidently. So friends, in this way we have learnt the dialogue on the topic of design thinking that is given at the end of first lesson of BSc first semester. Friends, if you like this video, do like, share it among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Learn with Gajanan. So stay in tune and keep watching my videos. Till then, bye bye.